don't get too far away because yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, something like that, I guess. Hi. That's a lot of bananas for you guys.